Forthcoming research from University College London's Bentham project on wills made by philosopher and UCL spiritual founder Jeremy Bentham shows his wish to leave his remains to benefit medical science was refined over decades and was not an eccentric last whim. Bentham's auto-icon, from the Greek for self-image or likeness, sits in a showcase at UCL, dressed in his clothes and holding his favourite walking stick known as Dapple. The extremely popular exhibit attracts visitors from all over the world. Just recently, a preview of ongoing work by Dr. Tim Causer on Bentham's wills revealed insights into the mind of the philosopher. Dr. Causer said, "It is clear that Bentham had, from at least the age of 21, thought about how he might benefit humankind after his death by donating his body to science for dissection. We can trace a line of thought from his will of 1769 to his last will and testament made a few days before his death on the 6th of June 1832. Bentham first mentioned in writing what was to become the auto-icon in an 1824 codicil to his last will, and so the auto-icon really wasn't the last strange whim of an old man, but something he had thought seriously about for some time. It was a physical manifestation of his radical philosophy, generosity of spirit, as well as being an act of great courage." In an unpublished work entitled Auto-Icon, or Farther Uses of the Dead to the Living, Bentham talks in detail about the benefits of auto-iconism, including how they might be used for memorialization, and was acutely aware of how a person's achievements might be celebrated or condemned over time. In a passage anticipating current debates, he describes how auto-icons of some individuals might initially be placed in a temple of honour, while some may be put in a temple of dishonour. But Bentham was aware that affording public honour to individuals should not necessarily be forever, describing how public opinion changes. Some auto-icons, whom the interests and prejudices of our age had transferred to the Temple of Honour, might, when those interests and prejudices had passed away, be placed prominently in the Temple of Dishonour. The objects of the admiration of one generation might become objects of detestation to another. A new volume will be published alongside Bentham's attempt in 1826 to interest the Home Secretary Robert Peel to his Body Providing Bill, draft legislation to provide corpses to surgeons for dissection, as well as the text of a lecture delivered over the remains of Jeremy Bentham, given at the Webb Street School of Anatomy on the 9th of June 1832 by Bentham's friend and follower Thomas Southwood Smith. Smith was responsible for creating Bentham's auto-icon, which remained with him until 1850 when it was brought to UCL. The research also provided insights into Bentham's life. In his first will of the 24th of August 1769, made when he had come of age, Bentham first mentioned leaving his body to medical science, to the intent and with the desire that mankind may reap some small benefit in and by my decease, having hitherto had small opportunities to contribute thereto while living. What do you think of Bentham's last wills and auto-iconism in general? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share and most importantly subscribe. Thank you for watching.